Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue with Windows security. Whenever you're trying to open it, you got the error Windows Security Center service cannot be started. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. Right click on start menu and choose option run. Type here services.msc and then hit the enter key. Now in services menu, you need to press the R key to find a service with the name remote procedure call. Double click to open it, and if it is stopped, you need to click on the start option to start the service at once, and in startup type make sure you choose the option as automatic. Once you have done so, close it. Now restart your PC and then relaunch your Windows security to fix out the issue of Windows Security Center cannot be started. Now if RPC service is not available over here, let's proceed with the next step. Click on start menu, type CMD. Run CMD as an administrator. You need to type here few commands one by one. First one is sfc /scan now and then hit the enter key. Now wait for this command to finish scanning and resolving the issues with your Windows system files. And once this command is completed, you need to type in second command, which is again opening the CMD, type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health and then hit the enter key. Now wait for these two commands to finish scanning and fixing the files of your Windows, and once both the commands are completed, make sure to restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, relaunch your Windows security to fix out the issue of Windows Security Center service cannot be started. Now if after doing these processes you are not able to launch, you need to do an upgrade installation of your Windows 10 or Windows 11 depending upon the type of Windows you have installed. To do so, you need to open up your browser and download a tool with the name Rufus. Scroll down and you need to download its portable version or the standard version. Go ahead and download it into your PC. Once downloaded, right click on Rufus and choose the option Run as Administrator. Click on the Yes button to check for updates. Now click on this preference icon and from check for updates choose daily, include beta version. From a drop down list choose yes and then again click on the option check now. Once checked, close it. Now under the boot selection you need to choose the option disk or ISO file, and next to select you will find a drop down list, and from here you need to choose the option download. Now click on the option download. Now from here you need to choose the Windows version you have, either Windows 10 or Windows 11. I have Windows 11. I select it and choose the option continue. Select the latest version and then click on the option continue. From the edition, select your edition and again click on the option continue. Select your language from the drop down list and again click on the option to continue. Now select your architecture. Windows 11 has only x64, but Windows 10 have x86 and x64. So depending upon the type of system you have, select the architecture and then click on the option download. Provide the path and save this Windows in your PC. You can see the Windows 11 has started to download. I'll go ahead and cancel it as I have already downloaded Windows in my system. Here is Windows 11. You need to double click to run it and click on the option setup to run it into your PC. Now uncheck the option and then click on the option next button to continue. Now at this point of time it will install Windows 11 to you. In the next option it will keep your personal files and apps, so it will not delete any of your data. And even you can click on this option, choose what to keep and choose the option if you want to keep your files, or choose the second option to keep only the files and remove all the installed apps. So choose your option and then click on the next button to continue, and once the process is completed your system will restart automatically and in turns fix out the issue of Windows Security Center service cannot be started. So as of now this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.